Noticing though the pumpkins, they were painting them.
Yes.
If folks do paint their pumpkins, you do not want to do it with washable paint because it's going to rain and all the paint is going to come off of your pumpkin. So there you go. You are now aware that we have another strong band of storms in our forecast. It's going to take a few days to get here. Right now, though, taking a look out over toward Lutherville, Timonium, you can see clear skies as the sun is getting ready to set. Looks like all that shower activity from this morning has now begun to shift further out to our east. And look what's back behind it. Just clear skies. Those sunny conditions are really allowing temperatures to warm up fairly nicely for a good chunk of the East Coast. In fact, when you take a look all the way out over toward Raleigh, even through Richmond, 15 degrees warmer than normal for this time of year. The heat is going to stay with us because you can see just how extensive it is all the way out over towards, say, Missouri. But look what's back behind it. Notice the colder air filtering down throughout the west. Denver, 32 degrees cooler than normal. There's winter weather advisories from Colorado all the way through Minnesota. They're anticipating up to 8 inches of snow. This cooler air is what is in our next cold front coming our way for Halloween, and with it, bringing strong rain as well, maybe even a few thunderstorms. Until then, though, temperatures for us tonight, we're dealing with fairly warm air. Middle River, 71 degrees. Out over towards Stevensville, the same number for you. And Westminster, you're now looking at 64. So kick off those blankets. You don't need them. It's going to be a hot night tonight as we have high pressure now beginning to settle on in. Now that cold front has moved through, high pressure will be here for 3 days, which will allow our temperatures really to warm up, I'd say almost 10 degrees warmer than normal for this time of year until we get that cold front on the move to our region. One other thing it's doing for now is providing us with these westerly winds. So we're going to see clear skies at least for today and tomorrow. By the time we get into Tuesday, we could see more of an easterly wind, so maybe picking up a little bit more cloud coverage by then, but still staying mostly rain-free until Thursday, and the kids are trick-or-treating. For tonight, you're looking at 49 in Manchester, out over toward Bel Air, 51 degrees. Jarrettsville, you're going for 50 under clear conditions, and then even out toward Easton, about 53. Tomorrow afternoon, plenty of sunshine. I mean, wall-to-wall sunshine. You'll need those sunglasses every hour of the day. 66 in Westminster. You'll see out over toward Columbia going for 67. Then Perry Hall, 66 degrees, and even out over toward Folston, about 66. I think the values further to the south could be maybe 2 degrees warmer than this one model. So Annapolis, I think you'll be closer to 66, and Shadyside closer to right around 67 degrees. If we break it down further for you in your hour-by-hour forecast, continuing to notice those temperatures staying fairly pleasant and warmer than normal. Usually we're only into the lower 60s, but by 2 o'clock already tapping into that 70-degree mark with gorgeous sunny skies. And remember, this is until that front arrives. So on Thursday, 6 a.m., you're waking up noticing the rainfall. It's still raining by 4 o'clock when the kids get out of school, ready to start trick-or-treating. This one model indicating we could get a break around 7 p.m. I don't think it's going to happen. Thunderstorms will be around, although we're still a few days away to sort of meander this forecast, but it doesn't look like the shower activity will let up until Friday at 10:30. Rainfall total from this system will be over an inch. I think closer to 1 to 2 inches of rainfall coming our way. You can see out over toward Westminster going right now for 1.25 inches, and Essex almost an inch there. We will notice a chance of showers for Halloween. So if we can maybe postpone Halloween to Friday, that would be your best bet. Temperatures by then going for a 60. 7-day forecast for you tomorrow. The lower 70s staying that way through Wednesday. And then behind that front on Friday, temperatures finally fall to 60. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. We'll be right back.